Now, let's go to the next one, which is going to be number 10. And what does it say now? This you see how easy all this is. This is all easy. We don't actually have to read the question. It's okay. Let's put the thing. So it's saying, sorry for that. I'm going to readjust. It says now, current 80. So I'm just going to put for my number 10, current I. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to put I. My I is equal to 80.0 milliamps, which is going to be 80.0 times 10 to the negative 3 amps. Okay, milli is times 10 to the negative 3. Then now what are we going to have? Yeah, if a current, how many electrons? So delta N for part A. This is for part A now. We can now say how many electrons they are looking for delta N past the given in 10 minutes. So time is equal to 10.0 minutes, which we say times 60, which is going to give us 600 seconds. Okay, you just multiply by 60, then you get 600 seconds. So this is going to be it. Then they're saying how many electrons. So anyway, how many electrons? So I have this again. I know we've done it many times, that this delta N is only in the formula which says, let's go and see it. Here we just go up and we look for it. This delta N, we can see it is only in this formula, which says delta Q times delta N is equal to E. So it's like, you remember you have the formulas written down, so it's not even hard. Just make sure you write down the formulas down. Delta Q is equal to delta N times E. So we want delta N, so we need delta Q and E. We know E we have, it's a constant, is going to be negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. It's there, you find it in front of your paper. Here it is here, okay? So now for me to do this, I'm going to need delta Q, right? The E I need delta Q so that I can find delta N. So I'm going to move it and then how am I going to find delta Q? The other way that the other formula where delta Q is in is going to be here, the other definition for current. So I can see that I have I and I have time, so I can find delta Q. So I can first come and I can say that I is equal to delta Q over delta T. Now I make delta Q the subject. I times delta T is equal to delta Q, right? So what is it going to be now? It's like this. And so what is the I? I is going to be 80.0 times 10 to the negative 3. 80.0 times 10 to the negative 3 amps. This is going to multiply time, which is 600 seconds. This gives me delta Q. Okay, so let's find the delta Q. Now, it's our thing. We have to find the delta Q now. What is it going to be? Multiply with our calculator. Okay, so we multiply with our calculator and we are going to get it being, let me take my calculator here, and I'm going to say 80 times